Alam nyo ba, binagbawal na sa Australia sa mga kabataan 16 years old below ang paggamit ng social media. Opo, bawal ng Facebook, bawal ng TikTok, bawal ng Instagram. Kung bawal sa Australia, pwede rin kaya sa Pilipinas? So ano ba nangyari? The Australian government approved a policy requiring age verification before anyone under 16 can access social media. Bakit? Mataas na cases ng anxiety, depression, cyberbullying at sleep problems among teens. Studies show the younger the kid on social media, the bigger the risk to mental health and attention development. Meaning, hindi pambata ang social media, literal. Ayon sa research mula sa University of Oxford at US Surgeon General Advisory, teens exposed to social media for more than 3 hours a day are twice as likely to develop mental health issues. Too much dopamine reward from likes, comments, notifications, nagiging addictive like gambling or smoking. Kaya Australia said, cut it off early, protect the brain while it's still developing. Pero paano naman tayo dito sa Pilipinas? Alam nyo bang, Filipino teens are among the heaviest social media users in the world. Average Filipino age 13 to 17 spends 4 to 6 hours per day on social media. Tayo rin ang may isa sa pinakamataas na cyberbullying rates sa Southeast Asia. Tanong ulit, kung ganito kalala ang epekto, dapat ba nating pag-isipan ng batas na ganito? Imagine, less anxiety, better sleep, more focus sa school, less pressure from toxic comparisons, at more real-life connections. Pero syempre, bansa tayo na sobrang reliant sa social media for school, communication, entertainment, even livelihood. So the debate is real. Protection versus freedom, safety versus convenience. Kaya ang tanong, kung ipinagbawal sa Australia, sa Pilipinas kaya rin ba natin? Sana po may natutuhan kayo at laging tatandaan, mapalad po ang tao na nakakasumpong ng karunungan at ang tao na nagtatamo ng kaunawaan.